Hey filmmaker, Chung here. There currently is a trend with a lot of new COB or chip-on-board lights with built-in batteries from the likes of Smallrig, Ulanzi, Zhiyun, and there'll probably be more companies following suit. However, these features are requested by consumers who just only think of this being a cool new feature that they can use when they're using the light outdoors and also for traveling, so they don't have to carry extra batteries. But this feature is more dangerous than a real must-have. The main thing about this feature is that the danger comes in that these lights turn on quite easily. Even if you have it double press, a switch, or a long press, these lights, if you put it in a bag with a lot of additional gear or a lot of things that can stick and push these on buttons, they can turn on in your bag. Even though there are, of course, a lot of lights that has internal batteries like panels and tube lights and everything else, but those lights are often of lower wattages and don't cause a lot of heat. However, if you compare it with like the COB lights or chip on board lights, these have like 60 to 100 watts and these have a lot more heat and needs a lot more cooling. And the main problem with it is that if you have like something flammable like a script or anything paper or anything else next to your light, it can cause a fire in your camera bag, and if you have your bag in a car or in an airplane, it can cause a lot of dangerous situations. The main thing is with these lights, if you are considering them, I would suggest to wait for maybe a next edition that has these much better safety features. So for me to suggest to these companies who are making these lights is to add another layer of protecting these lights from turning on. So not just have like the double press, long press, or a physical switch. It needs to have something that is really difficult to turn on, and that is just a simple door on top of the on and off button. This door prevents anything that bumps into it to actually be able to touch the on and off button and enable it to really be securely not be able to turn on, even though it be a bit of a hassle to turn on because you have to open a door to access the on and off button. But this is a safety feature that it really must have if people want to travel with these lights, because if it turns on and it causes a fire hazard, it is gonna be a big problem. So share this video so companies will know about adding this solution, but also share this video for people considering buying a chip on board light with an internal battery, that they should at least wait for more safety features. And hope you found this a very useful video, and click the like and share, of course, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.